Enter Warehouse 15 for Odoo in the search engine. Go to the app page on the Odoo App Store, select your Odoo version and click Download. Save the zip file to your PC. Now go to your Odoo settings, scroll all the way down and activate the developer mode. Now go to the Apps section and click Import Module. Click Upload your file and select the zip file you downloaded from the Odoo App Store. Then click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's done, you'll see Warehouse 15 in the main menu. Click on it, you'll be redirected to the Web Setup wizard. If your Odoo server is not accessible from the internet, you'll see a message like the one on the screen. You have two options: either configure your Odoo server for local network use or make it accessible from the internet. In this guide, we'll show you the first option, Local Network Setup. Click Download Solution and save the zip file to your computer. Go to your Downloads folder and extract the contents of the zip archive. Copy the folder named CLV API Private. Now navigate to the folder where Odoo is installed. Go into the server, then Odoo, then Add-ons. Paste the copied folder there. Next, open the Task Manager. Then go to Services. Find the Odoo Server service. Right-click on it and choose Restart. After that, go back to Apps, click Update Apps List, and refresh the browser page. Now go to the Inventory category. You will see two modules, Warehouse 15 for Odoo and Warehouse 15 for Private Odoo. Install the second one. If you see a warning pop up, it means you need to install an additional Python library required for this module. Go back to the folder where Odoo is installed and open the Python folder. Then open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command: Wait for the installation to complete, then close the command prompt. Now go back to Odoo and click Activate on the module again. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Warehouse 15 module for local Odoo environments. You will see a red QR code for connecting your mobile device. Scan it. Follow the link that appears. Download the Warehouse 15 mobile app. Wait for the download to finish. Go to your Downloads folder and locate the downloaded app. Install the app. Android may scan the application during installation. Accept the privacy policy. Grant the necessary permissions for the app. Tap the scan icon and scan the red QR code in your Odoo database. Wait for the connection process to complete. You will see a message confirming successful connection to the Odoo database. Next, the main screen of the app will appear with a list of operations. Choose any operation, for example, receipts. You'll see a list of documents pulled directly from Odoo. Tap on any document to open it and start working with it on your mobile device.